Alright, what's up guys? We're back at the California Mall. This is where I took the hat. The second part of that video was right here at the UFO Catchers. They have some new games on the side. I'll show you guys later, but for their UFO Catchers, Sega UFO, they have Annoying Orange, which is pretty cool, you know, because it's like licensed, even makes sound, and it's $1 per play though. That's one thing that sucks about these. So I'm only gonna spend like $5 or something like that. So I'll show you guys the other machines. Here's their Keymaster game. Holy crap! Look at that. There's a 3DS GameStop $100 card and toys all in one. Wow, it's a lot. Even the minor prizes aren't bad, I'll have to say. Probably go for the MP4. It's awesome. Alright. Oh, they have this iPod one. You can tell right off the bat it's so rigged. I mean, come on. It's so easy to pick one of these up. It's gonna drop it for sure. It's the little Giga, I guess. It's like a mini one. I'm not gonna try this one. It's $1 per play too. So is the Keymaster, I think. Yeah, $1. And they have this one, $1 per play. Super Scooper. Winner every time. Whatever, they're okay. Oh, they also have Road Trick. This game is rigged. So, and then they have Stacker. Oh, this one's only 50 cents. I would try this one. Put your coin in. That sounds so dirty. It's kind of funny, actually. I'm gonna play Stacker. It's the only thing that's 50 cents. Alright, I'm gonna try for Annoying Orange. This one right by the chute right here looks gettable. And the claw is pretty small too, so that's always a good thing. I can use my angles really well on this one. Push up. Should be about right, just about. Oh, ran out of time. Ooh, that should have one. Should maybe have one. Oh, so close. That was close. We'll try one more time. Okay, I kind of centered it off because the arms open up like that, just like that, so. Ooh, it didn't dig far down enough. It sucks. Unless it, it's so gettable. Dang, I can't hold any of these oranges. And that one back there might be gettable. I'm gonna try for a different one. I'm gonna have to get change. Actually looks pretty perfect. Let's see what this does. Oh, that should have it actually. Ooh, I don't know. It's gonna be close. Come on. Yeah. Oh, man, these slip out so easily. I know that. Let's go try something else. Of course, we're playing Stacker. Machine that's rigged. With a capital R and a capital egged. Whoops. The new Spider-Man movie just came out, so they got some Spider-Man toys in here. Okay, I always like, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up to the god. The second is the most gettable one. Anything I want to flip it in, so I'm going to try to go for more of the back area. Alright, I'm going to try to flip it in right here. Come on, baby. Flip it in. Oh, that should have it. Okay, come on. Flip it in or something. Do something with it. Yes! Oh my god. Are you kidding? Oh, it's stuck. What? Oh, it's stuck. Can we grab it? Man, I can't believe it. I think I'm gonna... Yes, maybe. I might have it. Yes, got knowing orange. Stay. Yes. Okay, knock in the other one. Come on, 2 and 1. Oh, come on. I got 1 out of it. Oh, sweet. Knowing orange. Cool, I got a bigger one of that one. Man, I'll have to win another one. No, let's just go for this one.
Yeah, you don't get it, even if you go here.
Shoot, I can't use my angle. Oh, too far up. Oh, that might be perfect. Ooh, come on, 2 in a row. Oh, man. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna try... I'm wondering if I should just drop it right there to pick it up. I wonder if I could get one back here. Probably not. I'm just gonna go for this one. Gotta hit the center of it perfect. Okay, that looks pretty good. I should have it. Ooh, come on. Maybe. Oh, it's gonna fall forward again. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna drop it right there. I don't have a lot of quarters. I drop it right here.
Let's see if it's a lie.
Right there. Probably in the prize chute. Come on. Yes, got it. Oh, nice. Got another annoying orange. Got 2 annoying oranges. Sweet. Huh. I'm gonna have to get it on this side. No, I don't want it there. Crap. No. I did that with my left hand. I should not have done that with my left hand. My major prize isn't that cool anyways. It was a little bit too close to that black hat, so I'm just gonna go for this one. It's right next to the chute. Okay. 7 seconds. Sega UFO Catcher barely gives you any time. It kind of sucks. Oh. Deploying. Oh, come on. That should have it. That might have it. Come on. Oh, so close. Oh, I could get in one more shot. I might spend a 5. Get change, I guess. Okay, the pulling. Making me nervous. Ooh, that should have it. Oh, no, I don't know. It may have... Oh, come on. This guy worth another $1. Okay, one more. One more. Last $1. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay, this guy is seriously not worth it if I don't get it. Come on. Alright, I need to go a lot farther back. That should be about right. Okay. Alright. Come on, grab it. Please, please, please. Ooh, oh no, not again. Alright, I'm done if I don't get it. Knock him in. Yes, yes. Stay. Don't. Yes, got him. Finally. $12. Oh, that would have been so bad if it went back in. Okay, cool. They're so annoying. Man. Good thing they make like a happy orange. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Subscribe for more. I think it's right there, so just subscribe button. I'll do a couple free giveaways coming up. And thanks for watching.